What's the meaning of camping? Camping. Camping.
Camping. Camping. Camping is an outdoor recreational activity where individuals or groups stay overnight in temporary shelters, typically tents. It involves spending time in nature, away from the comforts of home, to appreciate and experience the beauty of the outdoors. Camping can be done in various locations such as forests, mountains, beaches, and parks, and can offer a range of activities like hiking, fishing, and campfires. The result of camping can be a sense of relaxation and rejuvenation, improved physical and mental health, and a deeper appreciation for nature and the environment.